Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about you and your doctor. Stick around. Talking about mental illness can be hard. There's a stigma surrounding mental illness, and it can make it hard for people to seek out support and help. You don't have to be worried because, in fact, 1 in 5 people will struggle with some sort of mental illness throughout their lifetime. Left untreated, your mental illness could get worse, cause other health problems, or never go away. Maybe asking yourself, Jeff, when do I know when I need to see a doctor? Well, every mental illness has its own list of symptoms, but there are common ones that could lead to red flags that something is wrong. These can include loss of appetite, having trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, thinking negative thoughts about yourself, hearing or seeing things that aren't there, having trouble concentrating, not enjoying life as much as you used to, or finding day-to-day life difficult, such as getting up out of bed or going to work. If you've noticed any of these changes in the past few days to a few months, you may want to consider making an appointment with your family doctor. Now, what will the doctor do for me? You might not feel comfortable talking to the doctor right out about your mental illness, but it's a good thing to go to him or her and let them know what you're going through. And they may ask questions like about your thoughts or feelings so they could better understand what you're going through. They will give you reassurances that you aren't crazy, but have a medical problem. They can tell you what kinds of support are available, such as counseling. They can offer you medicine if appropriate. They will definitely set up a follow-up appointment with you to check in on you and to see how the treatment plan is going. Now you're on a path to improved health. There are some things that you can do, like setting goals, but not unreasonable goals. If you set unreasonable goals, then you will be disappointed when you don't immediately get better. Now, before you go to your doctor, you want to write down important information. This is very important because of the fact that when you go to your doctor and you know you're going to be talking to him or her about your mental health, it can be frustrating and it can be scary, and we can forget what we want to tell the doctor. So write down information that will be important to ask or talk to him about or her, to let them know and to let you know that you will not forget to tell them what you need to tell them. Now, what should I write down? Your symptoms. Physical, emotional, and mental symptoms. Also behavioral changes that you've noticed in your life. How your mood affects your everyday life. Key personal information such as traumatic events that have happened in your life. Your medical information such as what medications are you taking. The doctor will need to know all of that, any surgeries you've had, so on and so forth. And this is probably one of the most important things, questions to ask your doctor. There are certain things you could do during your appointment, like state your complaints clearly. It's important to tell your doctor all of your symptoms and don't leave out any details, even the embarrassing ones. Refer to your notes and understand the diagnosis process. There is no simple way, such as a blood test or a scan, to determine if you have a mental illness such as bipolar or depression or any other one. And another one that can help you is bring someone with you who knows you, who has seen what you've been going through, and who can give an unbiased opinion. They may also be able to tell the doctor the changes they've noticed in you. After your appointment, follow through with your treatment. Follow up with the doctor and be patient. Mental illness does not go away immediately. It may never go away, but you can gain control and you can help yourself feel better and help yourself be able to function better throughout your life. Now, here's some examples of questions that you can ask your doctor. What type of mental health problem might I have? Why can't I get over this problem on my own? How do you treat this type of problem? Will counseling or psychotherapy help? Are there medications that can help? How long will treatment take? What can I do at home to help myself? Do you have any brochures or reading material of the condition that I have? There are lots of resources out there, folks. This is one reason that I started this channel, to help people like you and myself go through and be able to handle mental illness accordingly. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Smash that like button, like and subscribe.